There,
right,
keep
ready?
it open.
Why are we taping if we aren't doing
Alright,
it?
get on my shoulders and we'll tape.
Oh, dude.
Yeah,
Okay, guys.
Woo!
Alright,
Oh, chicken
that.
fucking fries! She's inside! Come on, get on!
No,
You have to tape on my shoulders.
Go. I'm going.
Come on, get up close.
No way.
Come on, you pussy.
Okay, Ryan, make this fair. No running at us. That's gay. Let's go. Still going? Do you get us?
Yeah.
Are we going?
Ah, that hurt.
Is that recording or is it a picture?
Yes,
Yeah, it's recording.
Mark. Justin.
Hey, Connor. Hang on. Where is she now? Yeah, she's all the way up there. You're fine. She can't see. You guys are fine. Come on. She's all the way up there by the door in the purple. Eric. You got hit right in the nose.
Better not let me go.
You're fine. We're doing it tomorrow for sure in the winter.
She's going up.
Alright, let's go. Okay. Eric, you want up? Yeah.
Marshall stuck his hand in my mouth.
Right here.
Alright, 4 away. Go. 4 away.
I need a tag.
We're gonna eat you.
Wait, not yet. No.
I have the.
Aaron! Where's Aaron? Where's Aaron?